Hey, my friends, I am so overdue in doing so many curriculum walkthroughs, but I didn't want to let another day go by before I did a walkthrough of our new Christmas Around the World unit. We just released this a couple of weeks ago, and it has been amazing. It is so much fun. We've been going through just a little bit of it in our homeschool. And it's been really great to hear all the feedback and all that fun stuff. So I wanted to take you on a walkthrough so you can see what it looks like on the inside, what all main books are included, and all of that great information. So let's get started. So first of all, this covers 6 different holidays, and those holidays are Diwali, St. Nicholas Day, St. Lucia Day, Los Posados, Kwanzaa, and Epiphany. So it is going to take you through all those holidays, teach you about all those different traditions that are inside of those different cultures, and it is just a ton of fun. And that's one of my favorite things to teach in our homeschool is different cultures, because it really has kids be able to appreciate just how everyone can be so different, but how God is in control of all things still, because that is, of course, what's included in the curriculum too, is there's always some type of Bible verse and little Bible lesson included. And so everything is pointed back to Christ, which is really, really important to me. So let me show you inside of this. So first thing is, just like all of our other curriculum, it's going to be laid out the same exact way. So if you've done other rabbit trails, it's going to look super familiar to you. If you haven't, then this is an inside look at how all other rabbit trails units are also laid out. So the first thing you have is the lesson. This will teach you about that holiday, and I'm walking us through the Diwali lesson. So this will teach you about that holiday, what it means, where it's celebrated, all that fun stuff. And then we have our copy work. The first copy work is always going to be like a blurb from the book. The second copy work is always a Bible verse. And so you're going to find that there. And then there's always a little Bible lesson, blurb, whatever you want to call it, that's going to tie that verse into the lesson in some way. And so sometimes it'll give you an opportunity to pray together. Sometimes it'll give you an opportunity just to think and discuss how it is tied into it. There are some really cool lessons that are inside of our little Bible lessons here that I think are just absolutely beautiful, and sometimes my very favorite part of the entire lesson. Just like everything else, of course, this is going to be extremely hands-on. And so there's a Some Fun page, which is going to be like the main craft. So if you do any of the hands-on aspects, this is normally the most fun one or the most highlighted one that we have in the lesson. And so it'll tell you exactly what you're doing and how it's tied into that holiday, and give you an example picture so you can have an idea of what it's supposed to look like, as well as whatever supplies that you need to pick up for it. We also have, which both of these pages kind of go together, we have a library list page that has a couple extra books that you can get about that holiday. There's always a video suggestion that's on usually on YouTube. Every now and again it's a different place, usually on YouTube. And then there's also a library list. And so these are even more books about that holiday or about that culture to bring you even further down that rabbit trail to learn more about that holiday. Last but not least, we have our More Ideas page. And so this is where it will have even more things for you to do, whether it is another video to watch, whether it is another hands-on activity. Sometimes we might include STEM. You just never know what you're going to find in the More Ideas. We'll usually include poetry here, all kinds of fun stuff. So it'll give you a list of other things that you can do inside of the lesson. All right, we have a helper now who woke up from his nap. So we are going to go through all of the main books that go with the different lessons. So first up, we have Archie Celebrates Diwali, St. Nicholas and the 9 Gold Coins. This book is gorgeous. Lucia, the Saint of Light. Together for Kwanzaa. The Night of Las Posadas, and Babushka and the Three Kings. So if you have done our old Christmas lesson, this was the main book for that as well, and it has just a couple of bits and pieces from that lesson, but then everything else is brand new. So this is a big overhaul of that lesson to bring you even more amazing Christmas lessons to go along with it. And I also wanted to show you guys, we have a brand new part of our curriculum. We have a curriculum resource page. So this has our Amazon storefront link to get all of the main books if you're wanting to purchase them new. It also has any other links or kits or anything like that you need from inside the curriculum are also listed here. And it also has a QR code to all of the YouTube videos. So it's making it super duper easy for you guys to click through, find anything that you need. And these are things we're adding to all of our curriculum here over the next couple of months. We've been working really hard to get them all ready and added to get out to you guys. So all of our curriculum will have that. Are you trying to say bye? We are just about done. You want to say bye? Yeah, so that's it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this and that it brings just a ton of fun to your homeschool. Say bye. See you next time. Oh, what do you want to say? Hi?
No.
Just bye?
Yeah.
All done. Say bye-bye. Bye. Take care.